In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Payhip. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your store's background using both the built-in color schemes and fully custom colors, so your storefront can better match your brand. Let's start from your Payhip dashboard. First, log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Store Builder. This will open up the visual editor where you can design and customize your store. When the store editor loads, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your sidebar, where all the design and layout controls live. Scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar until you find a button labeled Change Store Style. Go ahead and click that. A new panel will open, and from there, select the option called Colors. This is where all the background and color scheme settings are managed. Now you'll see two main ways to update your background. The first method is to use Payhip's default color schemes. Look towards the bottom of this colors panel for the option that says Switch Default Color Scheme. Click that, and you'll be able to choose from several presets, such as white, light, dark, black, and highlight. Each time you click on one of these schemes, watch the live preview on the right side of your screen. This preview shows you exactly how your store will look with that color scheme applied. Take a moment to compare a few options and pick the one that best fits your brand or the vibe you want for your store. Once you're happy with your choice, click Save Changes at the bottom of the left sidebar to lock in that background. If you'd like something more customized than the default schemes, you can fine-tune the colors yourself. First, close the current panel by clicking the small X icon at the top right of the left sidebar. Then click on Start Editing Your Colors. You'll be asked to choose which existing color scheme you'd like to edit. Pick the one that's closest to what you want, since you'll be modifying it. Next, look for step 2 in this color editor. Under the section labeled Background, find the drop-down box with a small color swatch to its right. Click that drop-down, and a color picker will appear. Here you can select any color you like, either by dragging around the palette or adjusting the sliders. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview on the right side to see how the new background color affects your overall store design. When you're satisfied with the background and everything looks the way you want, click Save Changes on the top right of the left sidebar. That will apply your new background to your live store. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background in Payhip.